What if the secret to quickly mastering cybersecurity certifications and boosting your income in 2026 lay with something you already use every day? Discover how absolute beginners can leverage cutting-edge AI tools to transform their study habits, conquer challenging topics, and fast-track their journey to a successful cybersecurity career. You'll be amazed at how simple it can be. The digital landscape has changed, and the way we learn has to change with it. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of technical jargon or the high cost of boot camps, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the exact blueprint for using artificial intelligence to hack your learning process and land a high-paying role in cybersecurity faster than ever before. The future is certified. Why cybersecurity is your next goldmine as we move through 2026. The world is more connected than ever. But with that connection comes a massive increase in vulnerability. From AI-driven phishing attacks to complex ransomware as a service operations, the threats are evolving. This has created an exploding demand for cybersecurity professionals. Right now, there are millions of unfilled positions globally. This isn't just a job, it's a goldmine. Companies are offering record-breaking salaries and unparalleled job security to anyone who can prove they have the skills to protect their data. However, many aspiring professionals hit a wall known as the certification paradox. You see, certifications like the CompTIA Security Plus or the ISC2 CC are often considered the golden ticket to entry-level and mid-level roles. They are essential for getting your resume past the automated filters. But the paradox is this: these exams are traditionally designed to be incredibly time-consuming and expensive to prepare for. Most people spend 6 months to a year studying, often feeling like they are drowning in textbooks and outdated practice exams. But here is the good news. 2026 is the year we break that paradox. We are introducing the ultimate game changer, artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it is your secret weapon for accelerated learning. It's like having a world-class tutor, a lab assistant, and a career coach available to you 24/7. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to turn the certification hurdle into a stepping stone. AI-powered prep. Smart tools for smarter studying. To master cybersecurity, you don't need to study harder, you need to study smarter. The first step in your AI-powered journey is leveraging advanced chatbots like custom GPTs or Gemini Pro. Think of these as hyper-personalized study guides. Instead of reading a 500-page book, you can feed specific exam objectives into an AI and ask it to explain them to you as if you were a beginner. If you don't understand asymmetric encryption, you can ask the AI to explain it using a metaphor about a physical mailbox. This instant, tailored feedback bridges understanding gaps in seconds rather than hours. Beyond simple explanations, you can use these tools to generate an endless supply of practice questions. Traditional practice exams are static. Once you've taken them once, you start memorizing the answers rather than the concepts. With AI, you can ask for 10 new scenario-based questions on incident response every single morning. Each question will be unique, forcing you to actually apply your knowledge. We are also seeing the rise of interactive AI platforms and adaptive learning systems. These are dynamic mock exams that actually learn from you. If the system notices you keep missing questions about network firewalls, it will automatically adjust the exam to give you more practice in that specific area. This provides real-time remediation and performance analytics, so you never waste time studying things you already know. For those who struggle with memorization, AI-driven flashcard generation is a lifesaver. You can take a complex technical white paper, paste it into an AI tool, and have it instantly generate a deck of flashcards for apps like Anki. These apps use sophisticated spaced repetition algorithms to show you the cards just as you are about to forget them. In 2026, we've moved beyond rote memorization into optimized long-term recall. And let's not forget our auditory learners. AI-powered text-to-speech tools have become so natural that you can turn your entire study guide into a high-quality podcast. You can consume your study materials while you're at the gym, commuting, or doing chores. This allows you to immerse yourself in the language of cybersecurity throughout your day, reinforcing concepts through constant, passive listening. From zero to hero. Jonathan's AI-fueled certification journey. To see how this works in the real world, let's look at the story of Jonathan. Jonathan was working a dead-end retail job and wanted to transition into IT. He tried the traditional route first, buying thick textbooks and watching hours of dry video lectures. But he struggled with information overload and rote memorization. He felt like he was falling behind before he even started. Everything changed when he discovered the power of AI. Instead of reading the CompTIA Security Plus book cover to cover, he used AI to break down the 5 domains of the exam. He used custom GPTs to simulate discussions on security policies and governance, turning a boring topic into an interactive conversation. When he got to the performance-based sections, he used AI to generate realistic scenarios. For example, he asked the AI to describe a network breach and then walk him through the steps of identifying the compromised server. Jonathan also used AI to simplify complex network security diagrams that usually look like a bowl of spaghetti. He would upload an image of a network topology and ask the AI to label the vulnerabilities. This turned passive consumption into active, targeted learning. The results were staggering. Traditionally, experts recommend 300 hours of study for the Security Plus certification. Jonathan cut that down to a concentrated 100 hours. He didn't just pass, he felt confident. He understood the why behind cryptography and incident response frameworks, not just the what. He went on to pass both the CompTIA Security Plus and the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity exams on his first attempt. Jonathan's journey proves that AI isn't a shortcut that bypasses learning. It's a tool that makes deep learning more efficient. Beyond the books, AI for practical application and earning. Getting the certification is the first step, but the real goal is the job. In 2026, employers want to see that you can actually do the work. This is where AI moves beyond the books and into practical application. You can use AI to simulate realistic cybersecurity scenarios and incident response drills. For instance, you can tell an AI, act as a senior security analyst and walk me through a simulated phishing attack response. The AI will provide the prompts, and you have to decide how to contain the threat. You can also leverage AI-powered tools for automated vulnerability scanning in safe, virtual environments. You don't need $1 million lab setup anymore. You can use AI to guide you through tools like Nmap or Metasploit, helping you identify and mitigate risks in a simulated network. This builds the critical practical skills that employers are actively seeking in security analysts, incident responders, and penetration testers. Furthermore, AI can help you build a professional portfolio. It can assist you in documenting your simulated practical achievements. When you finish a lab exercise, use AI to help you articulate the technical steps you took in a clear, professional manner. This allows you to showcase your skills to potential employers in a way that stands out from the crowd. The return on investment here is massive. AI-accelerated certifications lead directly to higher earning potential. In the current market, someone with a Security Plus and a few practical AI-augmented skills can easily command a premium salary. You aren't just an applicant, you are a high-value asset who knows how to use the latest technology to stay ahead of threats. Your AI-accelerated cybersecurity blueprint. So, how do you start your own journey today? Here is your actionable blueprint. First, choose your target. For beginners, the CompTIA Security Plus or the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity are the best places to start. Second, set up your AI workstation. While free tools are great, Investing in a subscription like ChatGPT Plus or Gemini Advanced gives you access to more powerful models and custom GPTs tailored for tech. Third, follow an agile study workflow. Don't try to learn everything at once. Use the AI to break the exam objectives into weekly sprints. Spend 30 minutes a day interacting with the AI on one specific topic, generate 5 practice questions, and then move on. However, be mindful of the pitfalls. The biggest mistake is over-reliance. Do not use AI to give you the answers, use it to help you find the answers. If you stop using your critical thinking skills, you won't pass the actual exam, and you certainly won't survive a real-world cyber attack. Always verify the AI's output and ensure you genuinely understand the underlying logic. Your journey to a successful, high-paying career in cybersecurity starts right now. The tools are at your fingertips, the demand is higher than ever, and the roadmap is clear. Unlock your true learning potential and seize the opportunities waiting for you in this dynamic field. You can access a high-value learning resource, the Cybersecurity Success Blueprint Kit. To get you started, follow the link in the video description to claim a copy. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the future of tech and AI. Now, I want to hear from you. Which cybersecurity certification are you targeting first? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get to work.